friends, my name is Lilian. Have been come here at Mikisa Farm during our mental health camps.
Under the theme, Go Green, Go Healthy, it is not all about green schools. However, it is also about mental health.
I have learned many things at Mikisa Farm, like cutting water bottles to make them into portable garden. What I like in this farm, we have fun with my friends and help me to relax my mind. Mikisa Farm has helped me a lot. I didn't know how to transplant, mixing soil and make nursery bed. But now I know how to do them. Thank you so much for supporting Mikisa Farm.